Another idea that you absolutely must understand before programming an Unreal Engine is the idea of reflection. Reflection is the ability of a program to examine itself at runtime. C++ doesn't have any built-in reflection systems, but Unreal Engine has its own reflection system responsible for harvesting this type of data. This system is responsible for merging C++ data with the Unreal Editor system, exposing it to blueprints, as well as garbage collection. Garbage collection is when a program manages memory associated with the project and automatically deletes objects as soon as they are no longer being used. This frees up that memory. Imagine you have an object dynamically allocated on the heap, and you've created a pointer variable that points to that type of object. Now, as soon as that pointer variable goes out of scope, the pointer gets deleted. Unreal Engine's garbage collection system keeps track of how many variables reference any given object, and when it is no longer referenced by any variables, the object gets deleted automatically. For a class to participate in Unreal Engine's garbage collection system, it must make use of special macros that allow the class to be recognized. A macro is just a given fragment of code that has been given a name. Anywhere where that macro name appears, that's where the code will be placed at compile time. Anything you wish to be visible to the Unreal Engine reflection system must be marked with a special macro. The Unreal Header Tool, or UHT, is a program that harvests this information when a project is compiled. When it sees one of these special macros, additional code is generated for the class, which allows the reflection system to gather that information from the class. The uClass macro, put at the top of any class declaration, is what marks the class for the reflection system. Once you mark your class with the uClass macro, it will be garbage collected by Unreal Engine's garbage collection system. Variables must be marked with a uProperty macro, and functions must be marked with a uFunction macro in order to participate in the reflection system as well. This is what allows us to expose these class members to the blueprint system. Also, a special include must be added to the top of the file. This is the classname.generated.h file, which contains all of the code associated with gathering data from the class for the reflection system. The uClass, uProperty, and uFunction macros can take parameters in their parentheses just like functions can. We'll be putting all these concepts to use in the videos to come.